welcome to this lovely home. Come on in, let's take a look around. When you walk into the front door, you'll see this beautiful open sitting room, dining room combination that leads right into, on the left-hand side, a gorgeous office that could be converted to a 5th bedroom. Still along the same side of the house, as you kind of go around the little corner, you'll see the full-size bath that adjoins the 2nd bedroom, or the 1st bedroom on the main floor. As you go through the front of the house and past the dining room, you'll head into the kitchen, which on the back side of the house has this fantastic sunroom that has tons of light. So, come on, let's go back upstairs. Going up the original wood stairs, and if you could notice all the original woodwork throughout that is indicative of the quality of the craftsmanship for this style of home, you'll see another 2 bedrooms. The first one to the right with a closet that's pretty classic under the eaves. And then as we kind of progress outside and go around the corner, you'll see the other bedroom that oversees the front of the house. The nice little feature here is that the owner has put in a little bit of electric baseboard heat just to ensure that it's really cozy up here and warm. So let's go to the basement. Come on down, watch your step as you're going down the steps. Now this portion of the basement you'll see as you come off the stairs down to the right is the storage room where you can throw all your catch-all stuff. And the washer and dryer is down here also. To the left is, of course, the furnace, a little bit more storage, the water tank. And then at the front part of the home is the mother-in-law suite, which is a great 1 bedroom, 1 full bath, kitchenette, sitting room, a little bit of living room, 1, maybe 2 person dining. And what I really enjoy about this mother-in-law suite is that there is the door right here, so that way you can go to the exterior and head on up the outside of the home right into the yard. Now, as you are, kind of taking a little tour around the outside, for the most part, fully fenced, but look at this fantastic deck, and if there's one thing I could convey, while it's still transitioning, we're at the start of spring, just imagine all the greenery from the trees that really just kind of covers your neighbors and is very inviting and very private. We've got a cool little pad for parking. It's enough for 2 cars, plenty of off-street parking and also alley access. Thank you for taking this tour with me today. It's been my pleasure to show you around. If you'd like more questions answered, or if you have any inquiries, please give me a call, 208-310-2172. I'm Tami Quezada with United Country Real Estate, Team Idaho, and we'll see you soon.